This community is so important to me. It's in my blood. It's who I am. And that's a big part of respecting people. Seeing them for who they are. What greatness is hidden inside of them. I always loved science, but I never thought that that's where I could make my mark. I'm the child of immigrants who came here with nothing. This was an agricultural community. Biotech wasn't really on our radar. But after I left the Marine Corps, Curia gave me an opportunity to learn, to work hard, and to earn responsibility. Every day, I'm trying to make the most of that opportunity and to pass it along to others. Because of my own story, I know there are great people hidden in those communities where most companies aren't looking. I've known Roger since junior high. We kept in touch. I took my car to him. He has a great mechanical mind and a huge heart. His drive to help people, plus his ability to help solve technical problems, this is the type of guy that we need to make cutting-edge, life-saving medicines. Same thing with Lourdes, who I met when she was working as a florist. Same thing with Eduardo, who had been working in a grocery store for 23 years. We don't all have the same resumes. We don't all have the same life stories, but we are all dedicated to helping people, to respecting our colleagues, to improving patients' lives. That's what unites us. That's what makes Curia a community. When I'm back at the floral shop where Lourdes used to work, or the grocery store where I first met Eduardo, I know that we're serving everyone I see in our community. We're making medicines to improve their lives, and we're all really proud of that.